Holy Prophet. Birth and early life. Prophet Muhammad, born in Mecca in 570 CE, belonged to the Hashim clan of the Quraysh tribe. His father, Abdullah, died before he was born, and his mother, Amina, passed away when he was 6 years old. He was raised by his grandfather and later by his uncle. Prophethood. At the age of 40, while meditating in the cave of Hira, Muhammad received his first revelation from Allah through the angel Gabriel. This marked the beginning of his prophethood and his mission to convey the message of Islam to humanity. The Quran. The revelations Muhammad received over 23 years were compiled into the Holy Book of Islam, the Quran. It is considered the ultimate source of guidance for Muslims, addressing matters of faith, ethics, law, and more. The Night Journey and Ascension. According to Islamic tradition, Prophet Muhammad experienced the Isra and Miraj, a miraculous night journey where he traveled from Mecca to Jerusalem and then ascended through the heavens, meeting various prophets and finally standing in the presence of Allah. Migration to Medina. In 620 CE, facing increasing persecution in Mecca, Muhammad and his followers migrated to Medina, known as the Hijra. This marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. In Medina, he established a strong community and acted as both a spiritual and political leader.